The latest news break coming in, where an encounter has broken between terrorists and security forces in Rafiabad area of Baramulla. Security forces have launched search operations on Wednesday morning in area after specific inputs about presence of two terrorists. Gunshots were heard during search in Rafiabad, Baramulla. Joint forces of Army, Police and the CRPF, after inputs about presence of terror hideouts, had started to cordon and search operation in the area since early morning. Mir Farid, my colleague, joining us live with the latest updates coming in from the valley. Mir Farid, what more can you add to this?
Well, as you rightly said, since early morning there was a cordon search operation in the area. The security agencies had this credible intel input that a Lashkar hideout is in the area, and the joint forces, Army, Police, CRPF, launched a search operation. Since morning there was house-to-house search that was on, and almost, I think, half an hour back is when the contact was established. We've been told that at least 2 to 3 Lashkar militants could be hiding in the area. An intense exchange of fire is underway right now. Unofficially, we're getting reports from the ground that one cop has been injured, but as of now, the police hasn't confirmed this bit of news. But since the last 2 days, there have been some relentless search and combing efforts that have been initiated by the security forces, especially after clear directions from the Home Ministry that they need to do more, amp up these operations, and that's what we're witnessing not only in Jammu side, which has seen a surge in terror-related incidents, but in Kashmir also, keeping in wave some events, including the Yoga Day, where the Prime Minister will participate, and then also the huge security challenge of the Amarnath Yatra, which is scheduled to start by the end of June. So multiple CASOs, this one getting success for the security agencies, 2 to 3 militants trapped, and intense exchange of fire on. Preeti?
Mir, of late we've seen, especially the Jammu-Kashmir area being very hot where terror activities are concerned, keeping in mind the 21st of this month, Yoga Day. The Prime Minister is going to be in Srinagar. Are security being tightened? What are you picking up on that account? Is this a fallout of that?
Well, yes, security definitely has been beefed up. We were at the venue some half an hour back, and as we reached that spot, we could see presence of security forces at multiple locations, additional reinforcements of police, CRPF being deployed. And as far as the venue, which is the convention center on the banks of Dal Lake, that has been absolutely sealed. There are preparations as far as the civil admin is concerned, but more than that, since it's Kashmir, so security is a priority, and they are taking care of it. And we've been told that the Special Protection Group will take over the venue sometime from now, but already a lot of security. And as far as the overall, to improve the overall security environment, we're seeing these cordon and search operations which have been intensified, area domination exercises that have been intensified, and across Kashmir. It's not only in one location, but I speak to you, multiple locations are witnessing cordon and search operations. The intent is to keep the pressure on these terror outfits to ensure that they do not get operational. They're kept on the run, and probably with that intent, these massive search and combing efforts are continuing. And yes, you're right, one obviously is the Prime Minister's visit, but then the huge security challenge of Amarnath Yatra is also there, because it's a 2-month effort, and since already the militants have shown their intent by targeting civilians in Jammu, a bus full of pilgrims were targeted. So the threat around Amarnath Yatra has doubled, and for that they are taking every step in the book possible to ensure foolproof security.
True there, the immediate challenge, of course, the Prime Minister's visit on Yoga Day, but like Mir pointed out, the larger question and the challenge will remain the Amarnath Yatra, especially because we've seen pilgrims being targeted in Jammu of late. Mir Farid, appreciate you joining us.